Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Home Depot. We're going to be looking at the tool deals, the clearance deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Like for to review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes, so help out the channel by doing so. Alright, let's start here at the battery section, the power tool section. We got a clearance $39.97 from $44.88. These are 1.5 amp hour batteries from Ryobi. So always check out this battery section, the battery cage. See if you see any yellow tags. Make sure you get the double check on these. Sometimes you can double check with your associate. They do have that cell phone, the in-store cell phone. They got this headlamp here for 18 bucks, down from $24.97. Like I said, always looking for these yellow tags. These are pretty much your clearance or your new lower items. So this one's down to $15 from $21.97. So Ryobi set. It does have some drill bits, some nut drivers, spade bit there, and some more black oxide bits at the bottom, some masonry bits. You got $10 from $15.97. These are black oxide drill bits. Pretty much they're okay. They're not the best, but they do work. They do make holes, so that's. Then they got this one on clearance. Remember, guys, we used to did see this about a week ago for like $34. I guess they're clearancing it out on this store too. But yeah, that was online when we saw that for $34. They got the screwdriver bit set here, $24.88. This is Milwaukee. Again, clearance. Pretty nice TikTok case there, and then you got that the extension, middle extension there, like a 6-inch extension. So it's a nice little kit there for $24.88. Pretty nice. And then they got this all-purpose liner for the toolboxes there, 10 bucks, down from $11.48. So Husky drawer liner. And they got these Diablo reciprocating saw blades, pack of 28, $29.88. I don't know, it says inactive. I don't know what that means. So if you guys know what that means, let me know down in the comment section. Maybe there's a special clearance price on that inactive. Then they got these toolboxes organizers, $19.98 from Husky. Got a whole bunch of these, and then they got some more over here on this side. So definitely check it out if that's that's the way you wanna. If you wanna get some of those toolboxes. Then they got this one, $179. This is a bandsaw. It's a rigid bandsaw, 18 volt. I don't know if it is a kit or not. Alright, got the buy more save more from Ryobi. You got $99 for a 4 amp hour HP battery. That's one of the better deals, or better batteries that they have. They got the impact wrench there. That's the battery, the 2 amp hour battery. So that's not the battery that we saw. So yeah, some of these are mixed up, so just be careful whenever you guys buying them. Like this one. This one's a 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries for $149. So it's actually a better deal there for that. You got oscillating tool, $99. Angle grinder on $119. You got a battery, 2 amp hour battery for $69. You got a router for $129. So the buy more save more. So the more you buy, the more you save. That's the jigsaw there. You got circ saw. And I guess you can save up to $50. So just keep that in mind. Make sure you guys read the advertisement. Whatever is around the tool, make sure you guys read all that literature. You got brushless, got a right angle drill, $99. Alright, got circ saw and drill from Ryobi. You got drill and impact driver. You got $139 for the 2-tool combo kit. Yeah, and there were, like I said, this Home Depot was pretty much all over the place with the stuff, so not really organized. 12-inch drill bevel sliding miter saw from Rigid. So not too bad. And it was $3.99 for the 15 amp corded dual bevel sliding compound miter saw. You got $99 for the jigsaw, 18 volt jigsaw. Got the oscillating tool for $99. Was $129. And that's the reciprocating saw. And that's the starter kit that they have. Alright, the reciprocating saw was $149, and the impact driver $149. Alright, they got the impact driver and hammer drill for $379. It's a nice kit, top of the line kit. $229 for the middle grade brushless tools. Impact driver, drill driver with two 3 amp hour batteries. So that is top of the line right here with the hammer drill. 2 5s. It's a pretty nice kit. And then that's the lower grade, mid-grade type of tool. You got a jigsaw here for $159, and that's the hammer drill by itself. $169 for the circ saw or the reciprocating saw. That's a circ saw right there. So 6.5. Alright, I got this Milwaukee deal here. Got $79.97. You buy this 1,100 lumen light, and you get a power bank for free. It says this right there, 1,100 lumen, rechargeable USB 3.0. It has a spot and flood, Milwaukee. So it does come with some, with its cable, so you guys can recharge it. You got IP67 rated, got impact resistant. You got on high, you got 1,100 lumen. On medium, you got 600 lumen. On low, you got 100 lumen. And then on high, you can get up to 1.75 an hour. On medium, you can get 4.5 hours, and on low, you can get 13 hours. So that's a pretty good. That's a pretty good amount of time right there. If you use that on low, you can get a long time, pretty much all day, multiple days. That's a 450 lumen headlamp right there. And then that's the kit that you're going to get for free. That's the battery bank and the extra battery. Not an extra battery, but you know, it does come with this kit. So one battery. So if you guys see it this way, you guys are going to get an extra battery with that headlamp for $79. So that's a pretty good deal. I don't know if you guys could hack this. Let me know that in the comment section if you guys do hack this or not. I personally think it's a really good deal for both of these items. You got the rechargeable pen light with the laser pointer, 250 lumen. It does come with the, it is rechargeable. So that's it right there, $49.99. And then you got the helmet with the lights that is non-rechargeable. You do have to put batteries on that one. It's a pretty nice hat. Then you got the rocket light for $199. Guys, don't pay that much. These go on sale. These go on, you know, especially on these sacks. So you guys are gonna get it for a lot less than that. So $49, $79, and $59. So you got your choice of different lamps. The ones on the left are M12, so they are compatible with the M12. These are nice. These are the Ryobi lights, floodlights. Got the circ saw one. You can get any of these tools with the $199 kit, battery kit. You can get any of those for free. Definitely the circ saw, the ratchet. Yeah, these are all great deals, but the most expensive is the way to go. These are the buy one get one free deals. This is the $199 kit. You can get the circ saw, you can get the radial, the oscillating tool, the die grinder. You can get the staple gun, the 6 amp hour battery, the ratchet, the light, the jigsaw, and the rocket light. So definitely the rocket light's the way to go, and the circ saw. Those are the most expensive tools. You're gonna get the most out of your $200. Especially those 2 6s. That's a really good deal. Personally recommend that. And if you're in construction, this is gonna be a really nice kit for you. So that's the two 6 amp hour batteries. Alright, so $129, you got a big battery and a small battery, so you got a 4 and a 2. So that's a pretty good deal. That's the cheapest. You can get a diagram, you can oscillating tool, a light, a jigsaw, and a stapler. I did get the stapler, so that's the best deal on this side. So definitely check it out. I still have to do a video on that stapler. That is the rocket light. That is a 6 amp hour battery and the radio charger. You guys can get with that $199 kit. That's pretty nice. And then $24.99 for the 45-piece shockwave. $59 for a battery. And then you got $129 for dual driver, impact drive. Those are brush tools. Or you can get the 2-pack of 3 amp hour batteries. You got the torches right there. I believe they're $14.90 something. Those are the 2 3s. Alright, you got the 15-piece here, red helix. Titanium set. $24.97. I do prefer these, the titaniums. They work pretty good. Got the oscillating blades there, 5-piece. Alright, you got the charger with 2 5 amp hour batteries, the dual rapid charger simultaneously. So it does charge both of them at the same time for $199. Or you got dual driver and impact driver right there. Alright, so they got this one on sale, $199. This is a 2000 PSI pressure washer. You guys see the soap dispenser on the top. Got some nice tubing to protect the body of the tool. And you got the nice hose there, then the green hose there. 1.2 gallons per minute, so that's not bad, pretty good. Then you got the Ryobi lawnmower here. It's 40 volts. It's one of the cheaper ones that they have, $249. And then this one, I do have this one personally. So for washing cars, smaller jobs, this is a great pressure washer. This thing's solid. I mean, it has a lot of strength for its size. Then they got this little better one here. This is a 1900 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute, $149. I personally like the cheaper one, the $99. That one works great. It might be the same pump, you know, maybe a little bit more. Then this is weird because I usually never see these in stock. So this is a 3 port charger there. And guys, if you guys see a damaged box like this, you can take it to customer service and they might be able to take, you know, 10-20% off depending. So always make sure you guys, if you guys see a damaged box, make sure you guys ask the manager or go to customer service, see if you can get a better deal. Like this one has water damage. They probably left it outside when it was raining. And who knows, you know, if the batteries are wrong or whatnot, or you know the electricals got wet, who knows. So you got Troy built on clearance for $314. So this is a weight whacker. It is gas. It's one of for the bigger jobs. Was $419. It's like a edge trimmer, you know, on steroids basically. And then you got the auger 309, 40 volts. Then you got the cultivator here, 175, down from 239. So definitely check it out. And then you got this one. This one's the fogger, propane insect fogger. $35 was $69.97. I don't know how this works. Tell you guys the truth. I don't know if you're gonna fog them with propane or what are you gonna do with this thing. You guys know how to use this? Let me know down in the comment section. You got $24.97 for the extension cord. This is a 12 by 3, 25 feet. So it's a heavier duty extension cord for $25. Guys, that's it for today. I'm gonna cut it right here. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.